Hello everyone, the given question is from the topic of modern physics. Question is from JEE Advanced 2011 paper 2. So in here we have a silver sphere of radius 1 centimeter, right? Work function is equal to 4.7 electron volts, insulated and thread free in a free space. It is under continuous illumination of this much wavelength. So E is equal to hc by lambda, which will be equal to 1240 upon 200. So 6.2 electron volts. The sphere gets charged and acquires a potential. The maximum number of electrons emitted from the sphere is. Now the thing is, when it attains a potential and it is now stopped illuminating, like we are not illuminating it, the electrons would fall back, all right, and the number of electrons that fall back will be the number of electrons that went up, went like the number of electrons that are getting number of electrons that are getting de-excited will be the number of electrons that was excited due to this illumination because of this energy, and that will be the number of photoelectrons that are getting emitted. I hope I'm making sense. Number of electrons that get de-excited for will be equal to the number of electrons that are getting excited. Because of this energy, number of electrons got excited, say it's n. Okay, some number of electrons, after we have like isolated, like it's not, we are not illuminating the sphere anymore, the electrons will de-excite and it will give out some radiation. So the number of electrons that will de-excite will also be equal to n, and the number of photoelectrons thus emitted will also be equal to n. Okay, so what we need to calculate here is n, and n is equals to the number of electrons that got excited. We are going to go with that, and that is basically the potential that it will gain, right? So we need to calculate the potential. If we are able to calculate the potential in terms of n, it's a cheese, it's all like a piece of cake, this question, right? Now we can use this relation that kinetic energy plus work function is equals to hc by lambda. Kinetic energy is your potential energy, and that is equals to 1.5 electron volts. Now your potential energy is equals to n times potential energy, like the change in potential energy for every electron, right? Which is basically n into ke by r. So from here, n into ke by r is equals to 1.5 electron volts, n into 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 is equals to 10 to the power minus 2 into 1.5. This is 10 to the power minus 10. So basically 15 by 16 into 9 into 10 to the power minus 8 plus 8 is equals to n. Okay, so if we look at it, it goes 5 times and it goes 3 times. 50 by 40, it is greater than 1 and less than 10, right? So it lies between the value of a we need it to lie in, and that is when z is equals to 7. So the value of z comes out to be equal to 7.